Hey guys, how's it going? Go see Rich here today, and today we are going to be swapping out our center vent right here on the Corvette for carbon fiber one. We'll also be doing in another video the side pieces right here, the fender extenders in carbon fiber as well. As you can see, the hood is awesome, but I wanted to add something that makes something pop just a little bit. It just blends since it's painted the same color as the car. And well, Extreme online store made this possible. They sent me some carbon fiber pieces, and let's just get a little closer so you can see how cool this looks. Let's flip it over. You can actually see they did the mat. It's actually carbon fiber, and I'm super excited to do this piece. If you're interested in this piece, there will be a link in the description. We've rambled enough. Let's just get started. First thing we need to do, see if it'll open for me. Perfect. Let's go ahead and pop our hood. We'll flip this up. So the first thing we have is right here, two T15s. So just unscrew them a little bit, and you can do the rest by hand, so that way you know they aren't going to drop in the engine bay. Put them up here. Just like so. Now let's see. Comes off like that. Just literally pop it off and pull down. Put it off to the side. Once you've got that first one in, let's see if we can get the next one. There we go. There we go. Now we'll put one in here, just so it doesn't go all back in. Maybe even right there. All right, get our other popper. You need two of them. That way you can do all this. And we'll go up. There we go. There we go. Take a breather. Whew. You can try and hold the other side of the grate as you go. All right. Grab the other popper there. There you go. One more. And it's out. Before we put this away, we need these off. Just slide them out. What you might have to do is lift it a little bit with your fingernail, like so. Make sure she lines up. And then as you're lifting, slide out. Take all of these off and then put it somewhere safe. The last piece you'll need are these right here. These are the little green tabs for your plastic cover that goes underneath. The beauty cover. All you do is you kind of wiggle these out, bring them forward, and take them off like that. See if I can show you again. Just like that. They just have a couple of teeth that bite in. So cool thing, I pop these out because usually when swapping one of these, you would consider sliding these back in. But guess what? These are just too big. You'll end up breaking them. Ask me how I know. Anyways, let's flip this over. The only thing you need to do is put these back on, because we're going to be using these push-ins after. Actually, I think that's a way better idea. Personally, I mean, yeah, it's going to be more annoying to install a little bit, but I feel like by doing that, we can maneuver it in the carpet a little easier. And then we can just simply slide them in and pop them in. So I'll show you how to make sure that these are easy for you. Make sure every one of these are slid all the way out, because if they're even in a little bit, they'll cause resistance and won't fit through the holes. Now, so to make this a little easier on ourselves, I'll show you a trick. Slide that one in and pre-put it in. You could do another one on this side if you want as well. Whichever the side is that we're gonna go, which will be this way. Get 2 of these pre-loaded. And I'll show you why in a second. If you get these 2 pre-loaded, it's gonna be a lot easier on ourselves. Like I said, chances are a few of these are gonna try and pop out on me. So what we do is work it under here. Look at that already. You need to get that under the carpet there. Perfect. And then this just comes up and works under the carpet here. And then this one here. Now what I might actually do is try and get this one in. Because if I can get this one in, we're doing pretty darn good right off the bat. There. Okay, that one's in. Now we can work this last bit around this piece of carpet, and there. Now we make sure this fits up and around here. There. One more. And last one. And one more actually right here. There. Now go grab that plastic piece. For these slots, you're probably gonna have to widen them at least in the corners. See how I'm doing this right in the corner? And the reason why, you don't have to take out much in the center, but if you look at the carbon fiber part, you'll see there's some little troughs there, and there's no way they're gonna fit in here. So, just like this. Give them a little bit of ovals along the edges, just in here. Now that we've gone ahead, let's see. Come on, baby. Okay, that one's on. That one's on. Go to the other side. Take a look at that. Looks insane. I'm quite happy with it. Thanks again, Extreme Online Store, for sending me that to try out. And I'm definitely in love with it. It's got the same gloss as the hood. And in the end, if you're into carbon fiber, I think you will absolutely love it. Now, one thing to note. If you're going to ever go back to the other one, I wouldn't trust those clips to come out nicely. You're going to probably end up fighting them out, and you're going to have to end up buying some new pop rivets. So I would suggest, if you're going to possibly think in the future of using your old hood piece, make sure you pop those back in, since this particular one didn't need it, because you'll definitely use those ones again. Anyways, other than that, thanks again for watching. Press like if it helped you out. Subscribe for more. Next, I'm going to quickly install those.